Chapter 6. Stall and spin recovery. Internal checks before stall. A. Height sufficient for recovery, minimum 1,500 feet AGL. B. Airframe configuration, clean, flaps 15 degrees, flaps 25 degrees. C. Engine parameters within limits. D. Location, sufficient sector length available. Questions. Question number 1. What is the minimum height required for recovery during a stall in the virus SW-80? A. 1,000 feet AGL. B. 1,500 feet AGL. C. 2,000 feet AGL. D. 2,500 feet AGL. Question number 2. Which airframe configuration is not acceptable before performing a stall? A. Clean. B. Flaps 15 degrees. C. Flaps 25 degrees. D. Flaps 40 degrees. Question number 3. Before performing a stall, which parameter must be checked within limits? A. Fuel levels. B. Engine parameters. C. Oil pressure. D. Hydraulic fluid levels. Question number 4. When performing stall recovery, why is location important? A. To ensure there is no other air traffic nearby. B. To ensure there is sufficient sector length available for recovery maneuvers. C. To ensure the aircraft is over water. D. To ensure good weather conditions. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a factor to check before performing a stall? A. Height sufficient for recovery. B. Airframe configuration. C. Engine parameters within limits. D. Weight of the pilot. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.